Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that the economic impact of plant-based diets might just blow your mind? Eating vegan can save you hundreds of dollars each month. Let me show you how. Stay tuned, because this might make you rethink everything you know about food and finances. Today, we're diving into the world of vegan and plant-based diets. These dietary choices are more than just a trend, they're a lifestyle shift that's taking the world by storm. We're here to uncover the surprising economic benefits that come along with them. Are you ready to discover how going vegan can be a game changer for your wallet? Let's get started. One common misconception about vegan diets is that they are expensive. This belief often sways people away from considering a plant-based lifestyle, impacting their choices and ultimately their health and finances. The perception that healthy eating equals high spending is something we need to rethink. But let's explore the other side of the coin. Going vegan can lead to significant economic advantages that often go unnoticed. For starters, there are reduced healthcare costs due to lower rates of chronic diseases among vegans. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can lead to a healthier heart, lower blood pressure, and reduced risk of diabetes. Imagine the savings on medical bills alone. Moreover, the environmental benefits of a plant-based diet can result in savings for both individuals and society as a whole. Less strain on the planet means fewer resources used, leading to savings in energy and water costs. But that's not all. The rise of plant-based industries opens up opportunities for job creation, contributing positively to the economy. New businesses and innovations are booming, thanks to this growing demand for vegan products. Now, brace yourselves for a jaw-dropping case study. Did you know that a family of 4 can save thousands of dollars annually by switching to a plant-based diet? That's right. By choosing whole foods and plant-based meals, families can cut down on their grocery bills significantly. This statistic truly highlights the dramatic financial benefits of embracing veganism and shows how it can be a game changer for your wallet. Imagine putting that extra cash towards a family vacation or investing in your future. To wrap things up, we've uncovered some key economic benefits of going vegan. From reduced healthcare costs to environmental savings and potential job creation, the financial advantages are undeniable. So, next time you're considering what's on your plate, remember that going vegan can also be a smart financial decision. It's not just good for your health, it's good for your bank account too. I want to hear from you. Share your experiences with plant-based diets in the comments below. Let's create a community where we learn from each other's journeys. And if you found this video eye-opening, make sure to subscribe for more healthy eating tips and economic insights. Check the description for some exclusive resources on going vegan that can save you money. Remember, every bite counts not just for your health but also for your wallet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.